Well, Debbie and I doing some metal detecting. We haven't been doing enough lately. I just found a tomback button. It's probably 1700s and I'll drop it. I don't know how much you can understand because of this wind. That's the reason I hadn't filmed any. And if that's a debuckle, that's the biggest one I've ever dug. It's even got a notch right there. So I'll see what else we can find. But I won't be doing much live digging or nothing like that because of this wind, so I'll be back. Another flat button. There's a hole. That's where I found the tomback. So I think I found the spot I need to be in. So I'll be back, I hope. Well, we at home now. The wind pretty much run us off. Just a little short hunt on a new permission. So that's all my junk. I just don't know about this right here. It's iron, so I'm probably not going to keep it. This right here is iron. I know a lot of items because of the way I was raised around farms, and in my parents' country grocery store we sold hardware and everything else. This has got me stumped. So if anybody knows, drop me a comment, please. There's my two flat buttons. I didn't find anything else good after those. One of them, let's see. This is a tomback. So nothing on the front. That was probably 1700s. This is, I don't think it's tomback. So that's 1840 or before. Debbie, she found a little debuckle, but it's iron. And there's her trash. So thanks for looking. Comment, like, and sub, whatever you want. Okay. We're going to be doing some more. We're going on a group hunt in March with 300 people in Culpeper, Virginia. So thanks for watching. And I hope to do better next time. We just didn't find that much. And the wind was just terrible. So everybody take care.